Hi everybody, hope you are home safe and well and physical distancing from as many people as you possibly can. I just wanted to put together a quick video to say that I've had many video consultations with Alex at the Drummond Clinic over the years. Of course, it's very different to being in the clinic in person when you can have hands-on treatment. But one message that the Drummond Clinic has always sent me home with is that there's a lot of things that I can do to look after my body when I'm training and racing and not able to go into the clinic for an appointment. So it's a strange situation that we find ourselves in at the moment, but rest assured that there's a lot that you can get out of a video consultation with the team. I would say a couple of things might help you to prepare for your appointment. One would be obviously try and make sure that you're in a quiet room with a clear backdrop, etc., and that you can be heard. But also try and position your camera, your phone or iPad or whatever it is that you're using in a position whereby obviously you can have a face-to-face conversation and you're not backlit, but also where if you need to get out, it's quite good to be able to move around and still be in the picture and not have to sort of, have the phone at the end of your hand and try and juggle it whilst you're trying to demonstrate what makes your ankle hurt, for example. So try and position your iPad or your phone somewhere where you can sort of do movements in the field of view, and Alex or Aaron or whoever it is that you're talking to can also demonstrate things to you, but see what it is that you are doing in terms of mimicking a particular exercise or whatever movement it is that makes your shoulder hurt or knee hurt, etc. Like I said, there's a lot that you can get from a virtual appointment, and I hope that being at home, doing a bit of training at the moment, and when you do have a niggle or you do have something that hurts, maybe it's a new something, maybe it's something that's been going on for some time, it can seem increasingly annoying or frustrating or overwhelming because of our complete change of social circumstance. I would say just try and keep it in perspective, try not to become overwhelmed by it, and I'm sure that there's a lot that you will be able to do with the right tools in order to be able to help yourself and just try and keep the situation under control and prevent things from getting worse and indeed improve whatever it is that's irritating your body at the moment. So best of luck, stay well, and book your appointment.